Hello children, my name is Shayantani. Welcome to Shayantani Study Point. Today we learn number names. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start the video. Okay children? Children, what are number names? Numbers can be written in two ways. Numbers can be written two ways. As numbers like 1, 2, 3. Another as words. Winnie 1, TWO 2, THREE 3. These words are called number names. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is called number names. Children, repeat after me. 1, ONE 1, 2, TWO 2, 3, THREE 3, 4, FOUR 4, 5, FIVE 5, 6, SIX 6, 7, SEVEN 7. Next 8, EIGHT 8. Next 9, NINE 9. Next 10, TEN 10. 11, ELEVEN 11. 12, TWELVE 12. Next 13, THIR 13, TNN 13. 14, FOR 14, TNN 14. 15, FIF TNN 15. 16, SIX 6, TNN 16. 17, SEVEN 7, TNN 17. 18, EIGHT EN 18. Next 19, NINE 19. Next 20, TWEN 20. 20. Clear, children? Today we learn number names, number spelling. आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो कैसा लग रहा है नीचे कमेंट में ज़रूर लिख के बताना. और if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye children.